Hi guys! Today we're going to be learning how to create a QR code in Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Some businesses generate QR codes to promote their company website, social media accounts, or event registration. It can be quickly scanned and accessed by smartphones and other devices with a camera. To create one in Google Chrome, you need to launch Google Chrome, then open the website you'd like to create a QR code for. Once the website is open, go to the top right-hand corner and click on the three dots. If you scroll to the bottom where it says Cast, Save, and Share, you can see under Share it says Create a QR code. Once you press on that, click Download to save the QR code to your computer. Now, to generate a QR code in Microsoft Edge, you'll first need to open Microsoft Edge. Launch the website you want to create a QR code for. Then, right-click a blank area on the web page. In the menu, click Create QR Code and press Download to save it to your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching.